President Biden has announced today global allocation plan of 25 million vaccines. This is the first tranche out of total 80 million vaccines announced earlier by the United States. The distribution is under two categories: A, through COVAX initiative, and B, directly to neighbors and partner countries. Now, India will figure in both categories and will get vaccines as per allocation under COVAX and direct supply. So first would be the COVAX initiative, in which India is included in Asia. And second, through direct supply to neighbors and partner countries that include India, Korea, Canada, and Mexico. The US administration has stated that rest of tranches are expected soon. Today, the United States also announced removal of the Defense Production Act, which means no more priority supply will now be required, and this will further smoothen the supply chains for vaccine manufacturing, particularly for AstraZeneca and Covax. Vice President Harris called Prime Minister Modi. It was a positive and warm conversation. You will recall that Vice President Kamala Harris was there during both the Quad and climate change summits. Prime Minister thanked Vice President Kamala Harris for the assurance of vaccine supply to India. Prime Minister also appreciated the support and solidarity from the US government, industry, Congress, and diaspora. They talked about the efforts to further strengthen India-US partnership in vaccines and other areas for global health and economic recovery. Also discussed were the Quad initiatives, including in healthcare. Prime Minister invited Kamala Harris to visit India soon after the normalization of global health situation. And I must point out here that this is in line with series of high-level engagements between India and the United States. There have been 3 phone calls by Prime Minister with President Biden and 2 summits, Quad and climate change, in the first 100 days of President Biden's administration.